Today, I'm going to show you how to cook Vietnamese beef soup pho. Pho is a Vietnamese beef or chicken rice noodle soup. Here is an easy and quick way to make pho at your home. You will need to have a bag of rice noodles pho style. The first step is to pre-boil the bones. Fill a large cooking pot halfway with water. Add the beef bones or oxtails and some ginger and boil for 10 minutes. While the beef is boiling, dry roast about 10 slices of ginger. After 10 minutes, discard the water. Take out the bones and rinse the pot. Now put fresh water in the pot. Add the roasted ginger, the pre-boiled bones, tendon, beef balls, beef top round, garlic, 8 tablespoons of pho paste. If you don't have pho paste, you create your own spice mix with powder of star anise, clove, and cinnamon. Or use a Chinese 5-spice mix. Another choice is garam masala seasoning from India. You need about 2 tablespoons of these seasonings. Put them directly into the broth. 1 tablespoon of salt, a small piece of rock sugar, and some black pepper. Bring to a boil, close the lid, then let everything simmer for about 2 hours. While the beef pho stock is simmering, prepare the pho noodles by soaking them in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Then bring a half pan of water to a boil and drop the pre-soaked noodles into the water and cook for 3 minutes. Then rinse under cold water and put the noodles aside. Cut some thin slices of premium beef like beef ribeye or eye of round into very thin pieces. These will be placed on top of the hot noodle soup. Clean some herbs in baking soda and water. Basil, cilantro, sweet onion, and green onions to be used as garnish on top of the soup. You can have some bean sprouts to serve on the side if you like. To serve, put some noodles into a soup bowl. Take the cooked meats out of the broth and prepare them into thin pieces. Note, the tendon will need more cooking than the other meats. Cool the broth and tendon overnight. The next day, let it simmer again for an hour until it is tender. You can serve your first bowls of pho without the tendon for now. Next, add the beef broth. Then garnish with herbs. Serve with some hoisin, chili sauce, and a piece of lime on the side. And that is Vietnamese pho soup. See you next time.